Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to reset your JBL Authentics 200 to factory settings. To reset it to factory settings, go to JBL One app, and on JBL One app click on your speaker, then go to product settings, scroll down to restore factory settings, click on it, then click on restore. This light will turn yellow, and then wait a moment until you hear a sound from your speaker, and when you hear it, it will show up here for configuration. And you can see it has showed up and I can configure it again. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.